Hey guys, Ian Bolchoff, Century 21 Trophy Class, and I'm here at 910 Pleasant Street in Belding, Michigan. What a great little town. Sidewalks here, all the way to the school, to the grocery store. You've got this great wraparound porch, and you've got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. It's a cool little slice of small town America. You even got a 3-car garage and a big in-town lot with lots of parking. Check out the video, check out what's going on inside. With a little bit of work, this could be an awesome place. The link is in the comments, and I think you're gonna like the price. Also, text me if you want a showing. Love to see you out here, and thanks for watching.